Good morning, good morning, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Now, in the last video, I may or may not have implied that I had bought a new car, and it's true, I did, I have. However, I was gonna clickbait you guys. Like, honestly, I was gonna clickbait you guys to the moon and back, and then I kind of started to feel bad. Not like too bad, but kind of bad. Bad enough that I'm not even gonna show you guys the car. It was a 1998 Ford Explorer XLT, a very, very nice version of the Ford Explorer. To make a long story rather short, I bought it. It had a couple dents in it, now it has a few more dents in it, and now I'm giving it away to a friend of a friend. So I'll put a picture of it right here, and yeah, moving on to the vlog. The observant viewer would know, which is all of you guys, because, well, you're the smartest viewers on the old YouTube, the R8 is missing, and that's because it's over at Life Motorsport. You guys know what that means. You know what that means. Now, if you're upset, if you're triggered, I get it. Trust me, I get it. But if you're surprised, I mean, goodness gracious, you guys had to see this coming. Last winter, we did it on the Lambo. This winter, well, it just makes sense that we do it on the Audi R8. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you'll know in a matter of a few moments. So we're gonna take the Jeep off to Life Motorsport. I wanna take the Lambo. Like, I really, really wanna take the Lambo. But, well, we have, how do I say enough without saying too much? Moving on in the vlog. I just realized before we head off in the Wrangler, we have some other exciting news. The exciting portion of the vlog. Oh, actually, wait. I want to do one more thing real quick. So just so you guys know, I am being truthful. I did buy an Explorer. This is the key right here, and the title should be in here. Okay, so, oh, it's a 99. 99 Ford Explorer, 150, it actually has 272,000 miles on it now. Also, it may or may not leak coolant. But, wait for it. Dun dun dun, here it is. The new Strad hoodie. What do you guys think? Would you rock this thing? I sure hope so. I'm gonna rock it today. Cold startup 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. First stop of the day is JP Morgan Chase. We gotta get ourselves some Benjamins. 600 bucks. Lunch. Goodness gracious, I need lunch. Hey, it's a Tuesday, which means we're here at Chick-fil-A. So a couple weeks ago, I think this was the last time I ate out. It was probably about a month ago. The person in front of me at the drive-thru paid for my meal. I decided to pay for the meal of the person behind me, and I think it ended up costing me about the same. Yet I felt so good about it, not because I paid for somebody else's meal, but because the person in front of me was so generous. One of my big goals for 2018 is to be more generous. And so, well, there's one. Okay, Chick-fil-A sandwich meal with the shake? Yep. Can I pay for the meal of the person behind me too? Yeah, absolutely. Say it's from you. Say it's a lucky day.
Don't be afraid. Maybe she can be the love of your life.
You're right. I didn't even think it.
You want me to give her your phone number or anything?
Oh man, hooking it up. Yeah, that was not by design. That was not implied. I didn't even know it was an attractive female behind me. I had no idea. And now I feel very, very uncomfortable in line. Oh, she's not looking over. She's deadpan looking straight ahead. She's not looking over. Okay, well, that wasn't the plan anyway, so we're good. We're good. Ferrari of Salt Lake City, Utah. Oh, whoa! A 550 Barchetta. Dude, there's only 448 of those in the world. Dude, that's super rare. Nice. 488. Couple 430s. Okay. 550 Barchetta, not bad, not bad. Did you guys notice that 550 Barchetta is on Montana plates? If today's video can get 49,148 likes, I will take a supercar road trip up to Montana to film the supercar scene. So smash that like button. If you didn't realize, that was the sarcastic portion of the vlog. There's no sales tax in Montana. Fun fact. Generally speaking, I never go into the showroom here at Ferrari of Salt Lake City. There is a black LaFerrari front and center though. Man, I've never flipped a U-turn so quickly. Hey, we gotta be really quiet. Dude, check that out. What? That is so sick. Yo, this is so sick. Like, let's be honest, resale red LaFerraris, no good. But a solid color, all black LaFerrari, dude, the ultimate Batmobile. This thing is sick. It must be for sale. Dude. Obviously, we're here at the Ferrari dealership, so I have to keep my voice really, really low. But goodness gracious, this dealership is stacked. There's so many cool cars here in the state of Utah. So there's that black LaFerrari, and then back here in the back is a resale red LaFerrari. Oh guys, check this out. We have a 1 of 499 Ferrari 458 Speciali Apertas next to a matching F12 TDF 1 of 799 next to another LaFerrari 1 of 499. There's, my understanding, there's 2 LaFerraris here in the state of Utah. This one and that one. There's also a LaFerrari Aperta and then a 599 SA Aperta 1 of 80. Dude, Utah stacked. You guys, you OG subscribers, you'll remember that black LaFerrari. This time last year on Snowball Rally, I filmed that as part of Utah's best supercar collection. The owner just took delivery of his new black LaFerrari Aperta, so now he's selling the coupe, as you do. Man, goals on goals right there. I had an appointment at 2. It's 2:21, it was rescheduled to 3, so as far as what we're gonna do, I don't know. The last time we did this comparison, it was pretty embarrassing next to the 4x4 squared, but you know, we've improved a little bit. We just got here to Specialized in Salt Lake City. You guys might remember I was here this past summer and I parked next to the 4x4 squared. It was quite embarrassing, and it's still embarrassing, but it's not as embarrassing, but it's still embarrassing. 4x4 squared, what a monster. This thing is so sick. You got the carbon fenders right there. What a beast. What a beast. 2012 Lamborghini Aventador. John is just, well, he's making me feel like I want to buy it today, but obviously you guys know I can't afford it, but it still doesn't mean I don't want it. It just feels right, you know? There are some cars that don't feel right, and then there are cars that just feel right. Audi R8 V10. I have the 675 LT. I'm telling you guys, the state of Utah, there are cars on cars right now. I'm looking for a white van on the corner of 800 South and 500 West. If that doesn't sound sketchy, it'd be the white van right there. Maybe, that looks like a white van. That is not the right white van. This could be the white van, but it also might not be the white van. That's the white van right there. The white van is gone. Just so nobody thinks that that was a drug deal, I picked up some new tires for the Audi R8. Got a very good deal on these. Goodness gracious, look at the girth on these rear tires. 295 millimeters wide. That's a lot of girth. I need to correct a statement. They are not winter tires, they're all-season tires. Moving on in the vlog. Welcome here to Life Motorsport. Also peep the Aston Martin Vantage. If you guys are unfamiliar with Life Motorsport, they build race cars. No, I'm not getting a race car built today, unfortunately. Hey guys, we're getting exclusive employees only access. There's a 2005 Ford GT here behind me. This is one of my favorite cars. Back in 2005, base MSRP, $135,000. And even at that price point, there were dealerships across the nation selling them for like $120,000. Dude, could you imagine? All I need is a DeLorean, about $1 million, go back to 2005 and buy like 8 of these. I mean, goodness gracious, Girth Nation, take a moment, appreciate the girth. Imagine putting a ski box on the back of the Ford GT. I mean, this rear deck lid would be pretty much perfect. Bear in mind, it is rear wheel drive. It does have 550 horsepower, but honestly, that's a bunch of nonsense. It would look great. It would look great. And on that bombshell, that is exactly why we are here at Life Motorsport. We are getting the custom ski box mounted for the Audi R8. Kind of 2 main positions to choose from. We could have center mounted it on the roof, but obviously the rear mounted looks so much better. We're using these Seasucker vacuum cups to hold it down. These are rated for like 150 miles per hour. Bear in mind, I would never take the R8 over 55. And I know all of you guys on Turo, you would never take it over 55 either. So we should be more than adequate, more than adequate. Yes, the ski box is gonna be wrapped brushed black as soon as the cage is done. I know on the Lambo it took a long time. That was a mistake. I couldn't get the vinyl. I have vinyl, we're ready to go. Clayton Summit Auto Lab, he's ready to go. Well, I probably should talk to him. I probably should talk to Clayton, but soon. And when I say soon, sometime between now and very soon. Unfortunately, the ski box is not going to be done in today's video. Also peep that Aston Martin Vantage. What a good looking car. But we still have a lot more exciting stuff to do in today's video. I don't want to set myself up for failure in case I don't succeed. But you never give up. Dude, guys, I just received the saddest intel ever. That black LaFerrari we saw earlier, it only has 80 miles on it. Count it, 80 miles on that car. Man, if I owned that car for 1 hour, I would more than double the miles on that car. Bear in mind, that comes from a guy who would never go over 55 miles per hour. I realize you mathematicians, you might struggle with that concept because theoretically, That's not possible, but trust me, I'd make it happen. 80 miles! It really makes you appreciate the LaFerrari owner who attempts to power slide, fails, to save face, turns it into a donut in the middle of the intersection. It makes you appreciate him because goodness gracious, 80 miles. Man, I don't get triggered very often, but goodness gracious. I'm triggered, and I hope that triggered the squad. 80 miles, are you kidding me? One of the coolest cars in the world, and it's just sat. If you're a subscriber and you live in American Fork, Utah, I'm sorry, I don't have a choice. So you guys remember Jose. If you don't, well, I don't know where you guys have been. Jose, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. How you been?
Guys? I've been good.
Man, you look sharp today. You guys might remember that one of my 2018 goals is to learn how to do a backflip. Well, Jose, he's the master backflipper. And so we're here at Airborne and Draper, and he's gonna show me how it's done. Dude, I was shouting out Airborne, and sure enough, look who's working at the front desk. Josh, a subscriber.
Get her done.
Josh just gave me some words of wisdom for the backflip tonight. Josh, what was that?
Bucket and pray, baby.
Bucket and pray, baby, dude, thank you. We got foam pit on foam pits. Look at that, Jose's already showing off to the ladies. Okay, no, he's not. You gonna subscribe?
Yeah.
Dude, we're making subscribers.
Hey guys.
Dude, thank you. All right, so on that bombshell, I'm gonna try a backflip.
And then you're gonna do it.
Woo-hoo! All right, let's step in the right direction. Yeah. Here we go. Dude, just like that, no fear. This is pretty technical. Don't try this at home. Obviously, I'm a paid professional, so just be careful. Just take one.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have Jose. Ladies, he's single and he's ready to mingle. What? No way, no way. All right, now he's just showing off.
Yeah, baby.